Guys, so welcome to my Leetcode solving section, the easy part. So 1732, find the highest altitude. Sorry, finding the altitude. Sorry, not altitude. Sorry. So there is a bike going on a road trip, and the trip contains n+1 points at different altitude. The biker starts at his top on point 0 with the altitude equal to 0, right? So basically, okay, you can call height. Okay, so there is for starting from height 0 and go to height 1, height 2, height 3, up to height n. So total we have height n+1. So total we have height n+1 points, and height 0 is 0. Okay, so you are given an integer array. So you have array, right? Each array is array, and each element is an integer of length n, where gain I is the net gain. Net gain means that add, right? Net gain altitude, altitude. Okay, between point I plus 1 and return the highest altitude of a point. Okay, so gain is -5, 1, 5, 0, -7 or -7. So I start from 0, right? So start from 0 and add -5, so -5, and I add 1, -4. And +1 +1, because we add 5 got 1, we get 0 got 1, and -6, and the height is 1. Okay, now this guy is 0. Okay, so now we see the idea is very easy, right? The idea is that we just in an explanation, just follow explanation, we just create a list of these of this guy, and then we've tried to find a maximum of it. Try to find the maximum of this list. Okay, so idea is that we know the length of gain, right? So we create a list which is start from 0 and the length of gain +1. Okay, so that means I initialize the list which is 0 0 0 0 0 0 as this. For example, if I use example 1, and I start from 1 and the length gain +1, I just use the first guy, add the so the second guy is just the first guy, add the gain, the first guy in the gain, and the second guy just the previous guy, add the gain, right? So basically list I, the ith guy is the I-1 guy plus the gain I-1. So for example, if I is 1, then means this one is the this 0 is 0 plus the gain 0, right? So this recursion formula will just give you the this one. So let's maybe print one example and run the test code to let you guys see this list will exactly be this guy, right? Exactly the same. So and then we finally return the max. Okay, so this guy, this will be just the answer. So since you guys know the trick, right? So yeah, then the rest is just trivial. Okay, but I mean we can still we still solve it, right? So okay, so I will see you guys in the next videos. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.